Hello and welcome back for another Tech Series episode. This is episode 3, and we're going to be taking apart my PS4. Why are we taking it apart? Well, because it's really dirty. It overheats and turns off like 2 hours into playing a game. So, that is a problem, obviously, because we like to play games all day and night, right? Anyways, we're going to be taking it apart, guys, and if you have this PlayStation, this is the original PlayStation. If you have this one, guys, you'll be able to do it as well. I will show you. Make sure you're, if you don't, when you take this apart, you're voiding your warranty, just so you guys know. I will explain that in the video and where that step will come into play. Pretty much anything you do with this will void your warranty. So, that being said, guys, I've been getting some comments and some questions from some friends saying that the notifications, they're not getting my notifications when I go live. I guess the bell has just been turning off for them. So make sure yours is turned on. It's somewhere over here or over here. Make sure it's turned on if you want to know when I go live. And if you don't, then I guess don't turn it on. But yeah, let's get started with this video. And I will be live streaming tonight, I think. Well, let's dive into this and tear this thing apart and clean it out. Like I said before, it only runs for about 2 hours and it turns off. There's obviously something wrong. It's overheating and powering itself down. That's what happens when it's just too dirty. I have never cleaned this out. I took it apart before and made an attempt at cleaning it a long time ago when I first got it. And yeah, so let's get into it. Like I said, you're gonna need a T8 security bit. And that's not something you can just go pick up from the store. You might be able to pick it up from an electronics store if you have one in town, like a Best Buy or something like that. But I ordered one off of Amazon. I'll leave the link below in the description for you guys to be able to pick up one as well. I'll show you what it looks like. I mean, your dad or someone might have one at home. It's just like that little thing. It looks like I guess like a hexagon kind of bit, but it has a little hole in the middle. And that's the security bit feature, so not anybody can just, tear apart these PS4s. I don't know why they do that. You're not going to send it back. You're not going to ship it out to PlayStation to have it repaired. That doesn't cost too much money, and, you don't want to spend an extra $100. I don't know why they would just make it, a little bit easier for people to get into. But, yeah, so as you guys can see, we got the PS4. This is the original one, so if you don't have this one, don't follow these steps. They might be similar. Just take a look at what you have. We're going to go ahead and remove the hard drive bay. That's what this piece is right here. It's really easy, no screws at all. It just pops off like so. And that's it right there. The hard drive is right here. You're going to need a Phillips screw bit for that piece, you guys. I'm going to remove it today just because I know it's dirty. I'm going to spray it out with some air. But, so we're going to go remove this screw here. Remember to keep all your screws, in the same area that you're working. And don't lose any. So that's the hard drive. It's just a laptop hard drive, guys. This is a 500 gig. This is an older one. I'm not going to spray on camera just because it's going to be really loud. And I don't want that. But yeah, so this is going to give you guys an idea. I'm not going to remove this piece here. That's not what I'm going for right now. So, if you guys want to see that part, you don't really need to. There's no air here. There's nothing that touches this part, so that doesn't really matter. So we're going to be removing the screws from the back of this thing. Let's see if you guys can kind of see that. So there's 2 security tags here. If you rip these stickers off, you're going to void the warranty. I've already done it. My warranty's over already. I've had this PS4 for 4 years. It's already done. So yeah, be aware of that. You're going to be voiding your warranty if you remove these stickers. But we don't care because the warranty's voided already. Add these little tweezers that I'm used to remove the stickers. Now I'm going to keep the stickers close because I'm going to put them back on. I don't know why I'm going to put them back on. It's kind of pointless, but I guess it'll look nicer. So there is 4 screws from the back you're going to have to remove. So these 2 here, and that is a T8 security bit as well, those ones. And then there's 2 more. There's a sticker. Then there is 2 more up in the corners. So another one right here, and another one right here, which have a little black sticker on them. I'll have to remove that sticker as well. So there's 4 screws, like I said, T8 bit, again, T8 screw bit. You have to go ahead and remove all those. And yeah, like I said before, guys, if you're not comfortable with, electronics, don't do this, just because you don't want to wreck anything. Or don't remove the hard drive. The hard drive is the important thing. You don't want to drop that because it'll wreck the hard drive. You have to reformat and get a new one. So we're going to be removing the back plate here now. We have the screws all off. There's going to be a little bit of a snapping sound. It's not going to be broken or anything. Snapping sound there. So there we go. So here's the back of it, guys. It's filthy. Like, she's dirty. It's sad. It's dirty, guys. So we'll wipe that down. Here's a little look at everything for you guys. This is the power. So this is the power supply. There's a little connector right here. See if I can get the camera in there. There's a connector right here. You can unplug this, or you can just leave it to the side. We're gonna go ahead and leave it to the side today. I'm not gonna unplug that. Obviously, you can see it's filthy, guys. Like, look at that fan. Let me see if I can get a close up of it for you guys. It is disgusting. Look at that, guys. That's filthy. Like, look at the hair in there, because I do have cats as well. Like, yeah. Look at that, guys. The hair in there. Oh my god. That explains the problem, guys. Yeah, that's ridiculous. That's disgusting. Nothing works this dirty. Just this dirty and this covered in hair. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this out, guys, off camera. Just because I don't want to be spraying it in my computer room. I'm gonna take it somewhere else and spray it. The fan out. Yeah, look at that, guys. That explains a lot. Clean your systems out as much as possible, you guys, because you don't want it to get this bad, because it will do some damage to the fans and heat up and cause some damage as well to the components inside. Alright, I'm not quite done yet with cleaning the dirt dust out, guys. I have to remove the power supply to get that air flow, because the air flows from the inside of this backside here into the sides. So we're going to have to clean that out. So we have to remove this piece here. There is three 8-bit screws holding it down, as well as these little connectors here. They are long screws, guys, that go to the bottom of the power supply. So you're going to have to remove those. And like I said, I'm not going to remove this connector, I don't think. We'll see. We'll see how it looks once I get inside, guys. And there's little Phillips screws holding these in. Big fat Phillips screw. Get those out. Oh gosh. Alright, that's a little bit better. Just ignore that. That didn't happen. So you're gonna gotta remove these screws. They are really long, so yeah, like I said, long little screw things. Go ahead and remove those. And if you do remove the connectors on yours, make sure you put it back on properly, because even a pin out of place could cause some serious damage. Probably don't need to remove those. Like I said, you don't want to lose them. I want to bend them. So I'm just going to go ahead and, I don't think I'm going to remove that. I mean, I am comfortable with connectors. Right? Let's see, let's get it off. See how it looks. Something's holding it down, guys. Something's holding it down. I'm gonna make sure you don't have got all the screws out. Yeah, I do have all the screws out. It's probably gonna come out even, guys. Little bit stuck on there. I think it's from the dirt, all the dust. Okay, so now that we got the power supply off, we're not going to unconnect it because I don't want to wreck anything with these pins. Because there seem to be a little bit on there. I don't see it. Like usually there's like a little lip you can get under to pop it off, like kind of like this one has like a little lip. But this power connector does not have that. But like I said, you want to get the airflow shooting from this way out to get the dust out. Because you don't want to blow the dust back into the components of the PS4. You want to, blow it out. That's the whole point of this. So, I really want to remove that power connector because I don't want to have to carry that around. Because like I said, I'm not going to be doing it in this room. I'm going to take it out to a different room because I don't have a static vacuum or anything, and I don't want to. If I blow this out in here, it's just going to go inside my computer. And then we're going to be blowing up the computer. And we just finished work on that, so we don't want to do that, guys. Well, we're back inside, guys, now. We got mostly the dirt out. There is a little bit still left on the blades, and because it was so dirty, I'm going to go ahead and, I got some Q-tips, so I'm just going to go ahead and lightly remove the rest of the debris. Just, I don't want to be doing this in the next month or so, so. I don't know when, if they have a scheduled maintenance guide. I'm assuming once your warranty's void, you can go ahead and do whatever you want. You know, because if you do have something seriously happen on it, and you want to remove, you want to get it replaced, get a brand new PS4, you're not going to be able to if you void the warranty. So keep that in mind, guys. Make sure your warranty is void if you're ready to cough up another $400 for a brand new PS4. I don't know how to get into this mechanism. It looks like it's built right into the PS4, guys. Unless you gotta go in from the front. I'm not too sure about that. I don't think you can. I don't know too much about that parts. All I really know is how to get in here and clean this out. It was dirty, guys. It was a storm. It was like a mini dust tornado coming out of this thing. Yeah, definitely air. Air is your best friend. You're definitely going to want to have some of that. Let's go ahead and blow a little bit of this debris. Only a little bit left, guys, just from using the Q-tip. But yeah, that's it, guys. That wasn't so hard. We cleaned off the dirt off of here. We got a cloth and wiped off the plate. Again, it's like no more smiley face. So I'm going to go ahead and put it all back together, guys. I'll show you that part here. So let me back up so you can see a little bit more what I'm doing. Here's the power supply going back in again. It's not really power supply, so I guess so. Yeah, power supply. This piece here. Yeah, there we go. Phillips screws, yeah. These little connector things, guys, like so. Yeah, now we'll be able to play some Call of Duty, guys, for longer than 3 hours, 2 hours, and yeah, that's awesome. So it wasn't too hard, guys. It's really not that hard. Just be careful, with your mother's or your hard drive. You don't want to drop that, obviously. I mean, it is only a 500 gig laptop hard drive. You can always go pick up another one for $50. I recommend a terabyte because I'm always running out of space on my G drive. but I'm always having problems with that. Yeah, so let's get it all back together. We'll power it on. We'll see if it works. One here. Yeah, if you have problems with remembering where your screws came from, just get a piece of paper and write it down somewhere where you know. Make it a little diagram if you have to, and that's what I recommend doing. Obviously, I'm gonna remember where because I got a memory of a tech. I remember all these little things, guys. Except where I put my bits, I guess, my screw bits. That's it, guys. I think that wasn't that hard at all. So yes, I recommend doing this as long as your warranty is void. Don't do it if your warranty is void. If you want a brand new PS4 back. This is the front. Yes. So that's it, guys. That not that difficult at all. Just remember where all your screws go. I'm going to spray out the hard drive. I still have to do that once I get it flipped back up again. Yeah. I'll turn it on. We'll see how it goes, guys. I'm not going to put the stickers back on. You can if you want. People can see the back here. PS4, you don't want people to see it looking ugly. No one sees the back of my PS4. It sits on my desk. My office here, so nobody sees the back of it. I'm not going to worry about the stickers. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and spray this out, guys. Close your ears. I'm going to spray this out, and we'll be right back. And I'll show you guys the powering on and the working. Alright, guys, so we got the PS4 hooked up in the living room, and we're going to see if it works. We're powered on. It's been a while. It's been sitting for about a month, guys, since I cleaned it. So there's going to be some updates that are going to have to be done. Because I have been waiting to make this video. Okay, I'll probably say it at the start of this video. It's been a while. I didn't want to open my tech series with working on a PS4. I wanted it to be something epic like a computer build. Yeah, so it's loading, guys. Everything looks good. We got the blue light on the PS4. It's right there. My brother's profile. Yeah, there we go, guys. Ooh, I'm gonna play some Battlefront, guys. I got some Call of Duty, some Ark, some Fortnite. Ugh. I actually don't mind Fortnite on the console. It's a little bit funner. Alright, guys, we are all done. That PlayStation was filthy. It was disgusting. There was so much cat hair and dirt in there. Hopefully this works. I will let you guys know after I play a little bit of Call of Duty. I haven't obviously done it. I'm going to have to update it and do all those things because it's been turned off for a month. Like I said, I think I said in the video, I was waiting to clean it out to make this video for you guys. And I was really busy with everything, school and working on my builds and my videos. Don't get time to play the PS4 that much. We don't really live stream with it. We do have an Elgato, so maybe we'll do some live streams, maybe some Call of Duty if you guys want to see that. I have Ark on. I have Ark on my PlayStation or my computer, so I'd rather play on there. Honestly, it runs better. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, smack that like button if you're still around. Smack that like button. Leave a comment below, questions, things like that. I will try to do my best to answer them for you guys. And that's all I got. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you guys later.